Remember how much you loved playing with Silly Putty as a kid? You can bounce it, stretch it into different shapes, and snap it. So what makes Silly Putty so special? Silly Putty is a viscoelastic polymer that has some unique properties which make it fun to play with. So what is viscoelasticity? A viscoelastic material shows viscous properties like honey, and elastic properties like a rubber band. Having both these properties allows Silly Putty to bounce and stretch like it does. Have you noticed that if you leave Silly Putty undisturbed, it deforms into a puddle? This property of the Silly Putty is defined as creep. Creep is the ability of a material to deform under its own weight. As we leave the Silly Putty undisturbed, its weight, combined with gravity, causes it to flatten. Another property of Silly Putty is its ability to deform depending on how fast you stretch it. This property is called strain rate dependence. As you can see, stretching the Silly Putty slowly causes it to elongate and become thin. This is because the polymer chains in the Silly Putty can realign when you pull it slowly. However, when you rapidly stretch Silly Putty, it snaps. Quickly stretching does not give the polymer chains enough time to realign, which causes the Silly Putty to break. To wrap it up, Silly Putty shows a lot of interesting properties like creep. And strain rate dependence. Why not try it at home? Try leaving Silly Putty undisturbed in a container for about 20 to 25 minutes. Add a moustache to mix it up.